Guys, in this video I'm showing you how you can Google search by image on Android. So let's get started. But before getting into the video, here is some intro about our channel. Our channel Noteartener is a tech tutorial channel, and here we upload daily how to tutorial videos bringing solutions of the problem that you are facing on your internet journey. So you can join our community by subscribing and pressing the bell icon to get free access of our unlimited content of interesting and knowledgeable tech videos like this one. So let's jump into the video. So to Google search by image on Android, you can simply tap on this Google Lens icon. You can find in the right side, of this search bar. You can see, tap on this. You can also find this option if you have this Google search bar on your home screen. You can also tap on this Google Lens option which is in your home screen. After that, here you can find all your images. Then what you need to do, you can simply select any of the images that you want to Google search, and by this you can simply also crop a particular part of the video. You can also find a name of that person that you are not knowing, unknown person. You can find the names of unknown person and unknown birds like that. If you want to know the name of this bird, so that's how you can do that. After that, you can after you select a particular part of the photos or images, then you can see the results which is in the very bottom of this page. Here you can see the informations related to this image or that part of the selected image. Then you can simply tap on this Google search icon which is in the top in the bottom right. Then tap on that, and from here you will see all these things related to that image. So you can Google search that. You can read articles about that thing. You can also search the image of a particular celebrity that you want to know, which whom you want to know their name. You can also let's see, I want to know the name of this person. You can simply select that uh, part of the image. You can crop it, and then you can see that it is loading results, and here you can see that it will show up the results regarding this person which is in the Google. You can tap on the Google search and it will show up all the information related to that person. So that's how you can Google search on Android. If you find this video helpful, you can subscribe to my channel, like this video and share it with your friends. Now